My name is K. Anita Sri, Assistant Professor, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Uttanjatram. I am discussing about coordination compound. The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of coordination compound is known as coordination chemistry. Complex ion. The complex ion is positively or negatively charged species which contain a central metallic atom and a suitable number of ligands surrounding the central metallic atom. The central metallic atom may be in zero positive or negative oxidation state. Ligands. The coordination pair ion or neutral molecule which are attached to the central metal atom by coordinated bond or sigma bond are called ligands. The ligand donate a pair of electrons to the metal atom to form a coordinate bond. The ligand classified into three types: positive, negative and neutral ligand depend upon the charge. Example: aqua, amine, chloro, cyano ligands. In order to explain the nature of bonding and structure of coordination compound, many scientists proposed different theories. Among these, first significant contribution was made by Werner in 1893. He proposed a theory which is commonly known as Werner coordination theory. He isolated different complex compounds from the reaction of cobalt chloride and ammonia. These compounds are called cobalt amine complex. Two different color of trichloro tetramine trichlorocobalt are due to different isomer, via cis and trans isomer. Werner studied the properties of these compounds and may other such compound in detail. Based on these properties, he proposed a Werner coordination theory to explain nature of bonding in coordination compound. The oxidation state of cobalt is 3. The coordination number is 6. The metal possesses two types of valencies. First one is primary and second one is secondary valency. The primary valency is known as principal ionization valency and the secondary valency is known as non-ionizable valency.